We all know about Israel's advancements and innovations in the world of agriculture, specifically with respect to drip irrigation. Well, now yet another Israeli startup is changing the game for farmers all over the world, but in a totally different way. Joining us in the studio today is Eyal Amit from FieldIn. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for having me here, Natasha.
All right, so what does FieldIn do? Tell us about this.
Well, FieldIn basically helps growers of fruits and nuts to track and optimize their pest management activities. To put it in very simple terms, when you look at an apple or an orange, you see its size and its color. When we look at that same piece of fruit, we see how many times it was sprayed, with what it was sprayed, and whether or not it really meets the industry standards. What we see today is that for the most part, almost 1 in 4 of sprays goes wrong. Growers don't spray right, they spray too much, too little, but the biggest problem is that they just don't know about it whatsoever. So that's the reason why FieldIn has developed a software that's designed to support every major step of the pest control process, ultimately helping these growers to save money by carrying out crop protection practices that are better, reduce the number of sprays, and completely eliminate the spray mistakes.
Now, what inspired the creation of this software?
Well, the company was founded by Boaz Bachal, whose father-in-law is a major avocado and parsimon grower in Israel. And he, when he joined the family, he very quickly realized that there was a major gap in interpreting data. So he saw that growers were working with a bunch of different technologies, but they just didn't know what to do with it. And that's when he came with the idea. He brought along Yiftach Bilgil, who's a certified agronomist, comes from a third-generation family of farmers. And that's how they started out, very much with the support of Terra Venture Partners, who kind of took them under their wing, brought them into the Terra Labs, and we've been soaring ever since.
And so when you say, that this product is helping farmers, in what ways does it help farmers? I mean, are you saving more products? Are you making it so that the fruits are safer for consumption as well?
Well, in one word, I would say visibility. I think this is the very first time that growers don't need to second guess or hope that what they plan to happen in the field actually is what happens.
Right.
Ultimately, it's about giving them that peace of mind that they're looking for. When you know what's going on, that means that you can improve your operations. It means we can help you reduce the actual number of sprays that you carry out throughout the season. And that means that you and I, when we go to the supermarket, we know what we're putting in our mouths.
Absolutely. And I mean, I think that's something that's very concerning to most of us. I was always taught to wash my fruits and vegetables before I ate them. So you guys kind of have a system that's really helping with that. Now, where are you guys working already? Is this more specifically in Israel or worldwide?
Yeah, well, we started out in Israel. Israel is great as a sandbox, but also as a market in its own right. So in Israel, we work with all the major growers and the major grower organizations. Our biggest market now is California. So we've been working with a bunch of growers across the Central Valley and Napa Valley. We work with wine growers in Italy. We're growing, we're expanding. It's pretty exciting times. And what we've seen from our growth, especially since 2016, is that this is something that the market really needs. And we're becoming a game changer in the industry, as you said it.
Absolutely. So what is next for FieldIn? Tell us about it.
I think it's just getting better every day at what we do. Continue developing the software, adding more modules to fit not just the growers, but every single stakeholder involved in the value chain, be it the packing houses, be it the chemical companies, be it the wholesalers, the retailers. We want everyone to know exactly and to trace the activities so that we know what we're putting in our mouths.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for coming in. It seems like you guys have really created a product that is going to change, farming as a whole.
That's what we hope for.
Absolutely. Thank
you.